going on, guys? BoostedWhipz here again. Today I'm going to be installing the pillars overlays from CruxMotorsports. I ended up getting a Galaxy Black, which looks very phenomenal. Should go really great with my theme. So they're going to be on the pillars here. As you guys know, this scratches off really easily, so putting this as protection is really good. They offer a variety of colors, so you can get a gloss black, matte black, and any color that's available. I went with the latest and greatest, which is Galaxy Black, and it's a 2080 3M film, so it should last and should look really great. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and we'll go ahead and take it from there. Go ahead and start on the back door. It's very easy. What I like to do is to make life easier, I use the film off of the paper. I don't peel it completely off, and that helps with the installation much easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I do apologize for all the wind. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the paper, and I'm just gonna peel off a little bit, like so. And I'm gonna start from the top to bottom. Work my way with the film and using the paper to position everything so that I don't overstretch. Very easy. And there is position. I'm going to use my fingers to ease everything out. So this is a dry application, so you can maneuver and remove and put as many times as you can to reposition the film. It's already nice and straight here from the center, so I'm gonna start working on the sides, and I'm gonna use a microfiber towel with a credit card. You can also use a plastic squeegee to kind of make sure that this is all nicely bubbled free out of here, and then we'll finalize the setup. Next thing you want to do is start tucking. I went ahead and I'm able to do it with this type of tool. You just need a flat squeegee or plastic, and what I did is I started tucking here on the liner all the way down using my fingers, and until everything is tucked in, any excess. It's much easier if you center the vinyl more towards this way, because it's easier to tuck on this side than it is on this side. In this case, I went ahead and I moved the vinyl too much here on this side, so I had to tuck it through here. It took a little bit more time than I needed, but then all you have to do is finalize on the other side. So we'll do the same, and what you can do is you can open the door for an easier install, but I'm just gonna show it here using this plastic tool so you guys can see. And that is basically it. So we're gonna go ahead and tuck the top now just to finalize this install. And there you have it. I'm gonna give you a different angle shot, and we'll go ahead and work on the other pillars for the front side, and we'll finalize this install, and I'll give you a full run around on how it looks on both sides. Side is already finalized, so this is like a glittery look, hard to see on the video, but once the sun hits you'll be able to appreciate all that sparkle. Hence it's a galaxy black, so it's like a glittery black type of vinyl, so it looks really great. Love the results. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other pillars, and we'll wrap this video up. Concept: we're gonna use the paper to film without peeling it out completely. And we're gonna go ahead and position it from the top center. And we'll work our way down. Same process as we did with the back panel. Doing this process facilitates the install process without overstretching, without the need of using a heat gun to kind of shrink back the film. All right. Again guys, it's much easier to leave an overhang on the top than it is on the bottom, but it's totally up to you. How do you want to do it? I'm gonna go ahead and position this. I'm gonna go ahead and pass a credit card with the microfiber towel over. Once again, you can use a plastic squeegee to kind of even this out, remove all the bubbles, and then we're gonna go ahead and start tucking. I'm gonna go ahead and start tucking here. This one's much easier, as there's not that much liner to get into. Seems I positioned this one just perfect. But this is what you're gonna be doing. Now we'll work on this panel, and we'll wrap this one up, and we'll get on to the next pillar, but same process. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finalize, and I'll show you the final product. Guys, we are done. So I enabled the flash here so you guys can kind of see the effect this thing does. Kind of like a glittery black, because the sun is already going down, so we can't really do a nice shot there. And here are the other pillars. So you can see what kind of effect this is going to do once the sun hits. It's going to look phenomenal. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, BoostedWhipz, I'm out. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, with all vinyls overlays from CruxMotorsports, you get 20% off when you use BoostedWhipz promo code. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.